Howdy folks, it's Wednesday, it's the 29th of October 2014. Gonna see if this gets uploaded. Last time I tried to load a video to YouTube, the first attempt, tried to load it, said it was loading. 19 hours later I came back to the computer. It said it was still loading. Well, no, it's not. That was day number one. Immediately canceled that. Started to reload it again. The second time, I think I waited 13 hours. It said it was still loading. Day number two. Day number three. Started to load it again. It was like 10 hours later. It said it was still loading. Stopped that. Day number four, whatever it was, like 11 hours or something. And it's like, after 4 days in a row, I kind of got the message. There's something blocking my videos from being uploaded to YouTube. So if you see this video, I'm going to be real happy. Somehow it made it through. So this is a test video. More than anything, let me move this stand here a little closer. So, let me see what I have for you today. Forgive my horrible photography here. Where are we? Okay, there we go. Yeah, something's been blocking my videos from being uploaded. There's also, being the most computer challenged person in the world, this Google Plus business has been really frustrating me. That's another issue. Something else I found out probably about, I don't know, 2-3 months ago, whatever it was. And this is how computer challenged I am. I just recently found out that to load your videos up to YouTube or wherever, they have a little thing called video compressing. And all these years, I never heard of video compressing until just recently. That's why I was wondering about all these folks in YouTube land that can upload videos, it seems like every 10 minutes. I'm like, how the hell are they doing it? Because even one video of mine takes hours to load to YouTube. So if anybody knows a real simple way of how to upload videos to YouTube, I'm talking an easy way, so easy a caveman could do it, then if you could provide links to it, that would be real nice. Anyway, let me get to the subject at hand here. You guys probably saw this in, another video, 50 caliber Hawken rifle. Well, I kind of liked it so much, I spotted something that I thought was pretty neat. And there she blows. So let's take a look at that, shall we? Well, comes with this instruction manual, limited lifetime warranty, of course. Anyway. And here it is. Real pretty. I mean, real pretty. I'm impressed with the fit and finish of this 50 caliber pistol. And I can't wait to shoot it. Looks like it's going to be a lot of fun. Percussion. And that's all for now. I thought I'd just make this real quick video, seeing as the last 4 attempts just didn't happen, and had my videos not been blocked, all I has I would have probably had a whole bunch of videos out by now, but that's it for now, and I'll see if this video uploads, and if it does, I'll try to do a shooting video with that. And thanks for watching.